Wants to win a Camry? Who wants a Camry?
Just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen.
Excited about the White Camry Christmas giveaway here at Bob Tyler Toyota.
Yeah.
Let's shake this up like a martini and see what we got here. We're going to mix and mingle. So we've got everybody's stuff in here. We're going to put this down.
Brent's going to give it a shake because he's the man who can obviously take care of that. All right.
Big James Bond fan.
All right, we've got our little presents, our ornaments thoroughly mixed up in there, and pretty soon we're going to have everybody come up and select one.
Well, actually, they're already selected. Their names are already on there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to pull one out. We're going to read your name, and then thank you for coming. And when we get down to the last 9, okay, when we get down to the last 9 will be the finalists. And so when you're the 9th person we pull that out of, you will select a key and you will come and stand in the 9th place spot over here. And we'll go all the way down to number 1. Number 1 will be number 1. And you will be number 1 to try to start this White Camry from Bob Tyler Toyota. By the way, Bob Tyler's here. It's his car. Please thank him for the one you're about to drive away.
All right, Tommy Henson.
Where's Tommy?
Tommy Henson? Is there a Tommy in the building?
Tommy, congratulations. You are the number 1 person drawn out of the box today. No, it's okay, man. Give him a round of applause. Somebody got to be number 1. 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, now I just want you to know for the next person whose name gets called out here, this is Mollye that's going to call your name.
You can email me at WEAR.
All right, Mollye, let's go ahead
I'm
and...
going to close my eyes. Okay. A red present, and the name is Kelly Senf.
Oh, Kelly!
So sorry, Merry Christmas.
It sounds like Christmas bells.
Santa's coming with a new Camry. Santa!
All right. It's beautiful. Everybody ready? The first person to come and pick a key and take in the 9th position in our White Camry Christmas drawdown is a silver David. Is it Nehring? David? Where's David? Hi, David. Welcome. Come and pick yourself a key. This is it. This key may start the White Camry. All right, take your spot here. You'll be in the 9th position.
Okay.
Wow. Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3. It could be any one of you 3. This is a 1 in 3 shot at winning a White Camry from Bob Tyler Toyota, WEAR, and Cat Country 98.7. I'm so nervous for you. You ready? All right. Well, I don't know about you, Mollye, but I say we carol for a bit.
Catch attention a little bit. A little round of a Christmas carol will get everybody the blood flowing again, or no? You don't want to do that.
Nobody wants to do that? All right. All right, Glinda.
Is it Linda?
Glinda.
She's got the pants.
The lucky
She does
pants.
have lucky pants.
Could be lucky pants.
She's got the clover pants.
Oh my.
Yes.
Well, you got to make sure. We got to make sure.
all the keys are functioning properly as well. Let's see.
Yeah. It did it!
Right down to the last one.
It's a White Camry for Christmas from Bob Tyler Toyota. EAR in Cat Country 98.7.